my landlady and I.
Nduka Ogene, why are you opening the gate like that now, Nduka?
This woman put something in this compound.
What kind of opening is that? And I didn't even look at you the way you are even dressed. Why are you dressed like this?
Shebi, you said as you wear corporate.
Look at how you are looking rumpled like a rumpled 20 naira note.
Is this
You
not
are coming
corporate?
for something like this and then you are dressed like this.
But now you said as you dress corporate. I decided to corporate. Now you are.
And even your corporate is not even cooperative. You look like all these people that work in the cooperative bank in the 1980s. And you even walk up.
Because I'm capable.
What did you eat the way you are behaving like this?
Rice.
With what? You don't know that when you order rice, you get beans so you can eat it with it.
Oh, Biagu! Oh, Biagu, you are full of wisdom.
Look at it. Everywhere is dirty. Everywhere. Everywhere is just dirty. Everything is scattered.
Look at hanging rope on cloth.
I told my brother that he should use the money he made from the Nigerian Railway Corporation to build a house in Uzuakol. He refused. He said he wants to come and build in Lagos.
Rubbish. Look at the ceiling. They cannot even put a mat on the pipe.
When we take over now, we are going to do it the modern way. Nobody builds house like this.
No.
We will ensure that we put the roof on top the zinc.
With carburetor.
So that every... You're talking carburetor. Go.
Hey! Look at! Hey, they build gutter on top of gutter. Look at that. Hey! Yeah!
Good afternoon, Uncle Obiagu and Nduka.
Get that for what? Okay, I got that.
Igadafu!
Oh, that's a
Wonderful!
Look at how she's greeting me. You don't know who I am.
Look
That's
at
who I am now.
this is Obiagu 1! Obiagu 1, Obiagu 2 in the same one. The wonderful Obiagu, the one that deal with Amadioha with her heart.
It's okay, don't give them my CV. It's okay.
It's the VC of our village.
I don't know. Young people. Look at. So thank God you have because we will join hands now and do this place well. Because we have come to take over. So what we are going to do now is, because of the way things are,
Okay.
we will give you a house at the boys' quarters. Then the thing we just want from you now is the peppers.
So these boys that used to be in boys' quarters.
She will manage now with the boys in the boys' quarters.
Boys Rustling.
You know that our people used to say that when the mosquito lands on your private part, you will know that there is a way you can solve a problem without using violence.
My husband. I am not sure I understand the papers you are talking about.
What are your name insult?
It's newspaper. It's newspaper. Give us the affidavit. If you have it.
The documents of this house. You have tried. You have done very well for the house. So what we are saying now is that you give us the papers so that we can now come in with our own acumen and do this place very well. That's what we are talking. It's not it's just the papers, the documents, so that we can do this thing and get away from here. We are going back to
Night boss.
Okay, Koburu, you want the papers of the house? No problem. Sophia, please offer your seat.
This is what you did and we started quarreling.
The last time we saw you in the burial, you were greeting everybody. You greet canopy.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry for yourself.
Let me get the document.
Thank you.
Okay. I don't know why young people will be behaving.
Sophia, move and carry chair. Give them make a ringworm, cankerworm.
Don't mind all these children. Once they start having breasts, that's how they behave.
They think they are the
Look at the kind of chair they are even bringing.
This thing was what killed Uncle.
This is what killed
This is what they used and killed Uncle. They gave him chair in the wrong throne.
Let us still see that. What matters most is the paper.
Look at Uncle that is chairman. Look at the kind of chair they give him. turn him to sharp.
This is why our people say that what belly man complained that it's not like he is living healthy.
Okay.
People always look at him that he has eaten to his satisfaction, so they don't give him food.
Please, I need your help. It's very urgent. You see those men there? They are my late husband's brother, and they want to collect the papers for the house.
Paper for the house.
Please, just act like a lawyer and just chase them away.
I should act like a lawyer. That's not the problem. Do you know what I studied in school? General merchandise course. See, the small thing. Don't worry. They will run.
They will go.
The paper is inside, Abby.
It's inside.
No need. Just leave it. Just leave it. Okay, no problem.
Oh yeah, let's go.
This kind of thing, I won't do it for free now. See, okay, don't worry. If once I do that, they go. You give me 6 months. I will not pay as for 6 months.
Kenny.
6
Sorry,
months.
Kenny.
Don't worry now.
Oh yeah.
Don't worry.
What's that?
Wait, 6 months is small. 1 year. 1 year.
What has that got to do with it? Wait now, wait.
Let's go. The thing is,
I will just do 6 months. 6 months is okay.
You are going to 1 year, 6 months. Let's go. 1 year, 6 months.
See, the lawyer is here because he is responsible for everything in this company.
Oh! And also responsible for all the bastard children that you had from my brother, including this one that looks like macaroni.
That affidavit now.